These all are system management command. Just definitely you should aware on this all the things. When the system goes down and you need help from the system, you should know these all the commands. Like if in case the system is contains a Java software, like we cannot search directly, right? Where is our Java is installed, that type of path we know very simply. If you know these all the commands, you know it is very simple. The first one is the free. The free is a monitoring the system memory usage and identified a potential usage relevant to memory. Free command in Linux is used to display the information about the system memory usage. How much memory is there, how much memory is used, and how much memory is available. So that type of information here we get. One more is disk file, df command in Linux is used to display the information about the file system, the file system memory size. So how much file system is having the memory, and which directories occupies the memory, that type of information it provides. Next one is disk usage. It is used to estimate the amount of disk space used by a file or directory. Suppose one particular file, how much space it occupied, and one directory how much space it occupied, that type of information we will get. So all the things we lab orientedly we can did this all the things. So if in case identify the larger files, that type of information also we do. And next one, and if in there is one more also there, last. If in case last user login in the system, with the help of this command we will be get, there is info. So when you are giving the info with the command, it gives some information similar to man command, but it provides a more detailed and organized information, complete information about. Suppose info ls command, it gives complete structure details. And not only info, there is one more way is also there, that is a man command. This man command in Linux is also tool for displaying the manual pages for various commands, information what it gives. And help command is used to build in the command that provides the basic help, like basic information. So we will check these all the things, help ls, man ls, and info ls. We will get different answers, very simpler and larger and deepest replace we will be get. Next one, whatis command is used to display a brief one line description, just only one line. So what is ls, it gives information, just single line information. And whereis Java, suppose. So whereis is used to find out the where a particular command or program is installed on the system, where it is available. And which command helps you to determine the location of binary files that will be executed, where the binary files are available. And uptime is nothing but uptime command in Linux is used to display the system uptime and average load on the system over the last 15 minutes the period. And this is CPU information. It is a file contains information about the CPU. It is a virtual file that is dynamically generated by kernel and can be accessed like regular file. It was generated by the kernel, but we can access directly, right? One by one we are going to execute these all the things. This is our system, clear. The first one is free. It information about how much space is, how much memory, this type of information. It can be how much shared memory and how much cache memory, this type of information it provides. Shared memory in the sense that amount of memory shared between the multiple processors. And buff cache, what is this buff cache? This memory is like this amount of memory used to file system, just this is a file system is used this much of memory. And available in the sense this available memory or swap space that is currently available for new process and application to use. And next one, the same command, where is -m megabytes, the files will be shows like a megabytes. And free g gigabyte, small g we require gigabyte. no space. Clear free -h. So this much of memory, 1 GB actual space, and used to 39 MB and free memory. So this is memory. And next, one more command is df. What is df? So this directory file system occupies how much memory, how much percentage it occupies, right? Df minus h, simple, hyphen h, how much memory it occupies. Total volume is 87.5 GB, and this tmpfs and directories, how much memory it allocates, this much. Next, one more is du, disk usage command is there. du 4 clear cd slash our directory. So we need to du slash tmp. Previously we used tmp. Permission denied. Okay, sudo, this is a size, the each and every file information, right? Sudo df minus h hyphen h, kilobytes, how many files are there, that information it gives. Otherwise summarize we required. Summarize means very simple, hyphen s we use summarized, overall 20 bytes. Either we go with the du hyphen all, everything, but we don't require that much. Quit, right? So clear du all hyphen like I want to files directory, one more files directory. No, you cannot access that. Sudo ls, there is any directory is there, slash home, suppose home, ubuntu directory, right? cd, next du slash home slash ubuntu. This is a file directory. So if in case we required all files, right, hyphen all, this all information we get. This way we can find out. Suppose this way we can find out. Next, one more, info help man, right? So clear command, info, same you observe, info free command, already we executed, this much of information it gives. Quit, otherwise help free command it gives. Okay, man free, this much of information, and help quit help free. Suppose help cd, suppose help cd command, this type of information it gives. And simple, this type of information only we get. Next, what is clear, what is free. Every command information we get here. What is display amount of free and used memory, like what is like any command mkdir, make directory, and what is service, run a system v init script, right? So service system ctl systems. Anyone ls command. What is ls? It is a list directory content. Whereis, suppose I installed already Java. Whereis Java. Sorry. So this location Java is available, and which suppose Java. Okay. With Java, what happened? Determine the location of the binary file that it's okay. Which mkdir, suppose these are like location of the file. And I think almost we covered all the concepts. And uptime, clear, uptime, system is starts, I think this is the time right now, and the system is starts this much, 2 users, and average load 0, right? 0 0 0. And we need to open cat cpu information, proc, and cpu info. This is a cpu information, so entire family cpu family details information it provides, like this. Actually these all are very simple, so what I'm going a very quick execution, right? Thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye.